No, okay, when honorable members don't stand, nobody waits for them. You now be running after them. It doesn't make sense now. How I told them, let them come down.
The shots they want, they can't even get it there.
I wonder. They will now be telling us that we should wait. Something I will favor anybody now. Does it make any sense? Once they come, we'll just watch out. So that will be a penalty next time they don't go and make it.
Check 1 2 1 2.
Morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
No interview.
If I check your mic.
Can we please move outside a little bit so that you can continue? That was so late. That was so late.
Check 1 2 1 2. Can you hear me? Can you hear?
Would you like to respond? What's your reaction to today's hearing in court?
Well, good morning. This is actually just the beginning, and just like what happened in there, both parties actually have their representative, and I think we should allow the legal team to do their job.
Please, ma, can you respond to what happened yesterday?
What happened yesterday?
Yes, when the speaker was said to have taken over.
Sorry?
Which speaker?
When the speaker was said to have
The removed speaker. Well, I think he's still a member of the House of Assembly, so he has every right to come, but invasion and breaking into my office, that is really a big one.
Do you also confirm the restoration of your security detail?
Well, as you can see, I have my people here with me, and God is with me.
Can you be specific, ma'am, about the status of your security details? That's the office represents.
Well, I have, I think, 3 or 4 policemen, whereas my normal convoy, my team, 12 policemen, 4 DSS, and 2 anti-bob. But as I have it this morning, I don't have that.
I understand you, Max, be saying that to be condemning, that the House is condemning the forceful invasion by the removed speaker. But ma, is the House going to take any proceedings, disciplinary? What can you tell us? What's the next thing?
When we get to that bridge, we'll cross it.
Mr. Obasai yesterday in the sitting with about 3 or 4 lawmakers also said the House has been postponed sine die. What is your reaction to that?
I think to me that was just a show of shame, because in our job we have numbers that form quorum. So if you are sitting with 3 or 4 members, you're only doing theater.
So when is the House sitting next?
We'll announce it. Thank you.
Today? Is the House sitting today?
We'll let you know, but the House is not sitting today. Thank you. Ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ ilé aṣòfin àtàbájòkó àkàn sí.
Can any of the lawmakers react to the representation?
Just let's wait for the House to reconvene. She's our speaker and she has spoken. So when it is time, we will be invited and all necessary things will be done. We are already consulting. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
They don't carry my.
Broken, vandalized, damaged.
Go.
Yes, comes to the authority level. I need your kidney. Hey! First presiding officer.
my colleagues for their support for the Right Honorable Speaker, Mujisola Miranda. Yesterday, we got an information that former Speaker, Honorable Mudashiru Obasa, invaded the House. Then we went to court this morning. They now decided that we need to come and see things ourselves. And we have gone around and we discovered that everything is in order.
So no damage, no breaking?
When actually we cannot ascertain that because we are unable to get access to all the offices.
So now that you've said that everything is in order, in the next how many days should we expect plenary?
That one will be communicated very soon.
As at the time we went round, if I may chip this in, as at the time we went round, we noticed that some doors were vandalized and broken into, glasses were shattered, door is being swept off this morning. So, like he said, the better narration will be communicated later.
So, Madam Speaker mentioned that some of security aids have not been restored. Do you have anything to say on this?
She will have been the best position to say yes or no to that answer. Question. Communication, go ahead.
You just saw Madam Speaker state the facts that this is the numbers of aids that security aids she's supposed to have, and she only had 3 as we were speaking. So instead of 12 and others. So that implies that is the current situation of things.
Who will restore Madam Speaker's aids?
It's the Commissioner for Police. It's the CP of the state.
You should call his attention to it. Here.
That's why I said we are already on it and we are already speaking on behalf of that with him. And we are sure he's going to do the needful.
We've noticed some strange faces in the assembly. Well, we've covered the assembly for a while and we know how the ambience is like, and we've noticed some strange faces. What do you have to say to that?
Those are security matters and we'll take necessary actions about that.
Has the full security of the house been restored?
No.
Commissioner said
No. You've said you've noticed some things and we've also noticed. But we would make necessary communications about it and necessary things will be done. You can't be rest assured.
Thank you.
That is the reason why we are here, to show Lagosians that it is our house. This is Lagos State House of Assembly. After leaving the court, you can see our attendance, you can see the manner we all came in peacefully, and we've been maintaining this peace since day one. So we are enjoining everybody, Lagosians, Nigerians, to see, and we've always been emphasizing that we are committed party people. We are committed party chieftains. And we are elected, and things will be done in accordance, with the law of this country. So we thank you for your cooperation.
Thank you.